Hey kids, let's count the colorful lava dolls from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go! 1 red Labubu jumps so high. 2 blue Labubus touch the sky. 3 yellow Labubus spin around. 4 green Labubus bounce on the ground. 5 pink Labubus clap their hands. 6 orange